everybody has the Ultimate Decal Guide. This is another option that is in addition to what comes with it standard. So this is a new piece. So what this is, so this is just the Ultimate Decal Guide minus the stuff that comes with it. But now we have a razor blade attachment. So when you have a razor blade, it's not always flat. So you can see that the lip on it. And so what happens is that if you just were to stick this into this straight piece right here and don't account for that, is when you push down or tighten it in, it would bow and then it would just have like wavy lines all over the place. So Nick made sure to engineer it to where it accounts for that. Like you can, but you can't see it in there, and then like the logo's right there too. So I thought that was really cute that he did that little touch. So it just slides in there and you tighten it. So it fits right in there, and then it accounts for that lip right there. So it just goes right there, and then you just easily adjust it up and down to whatever height that you want, and then it locks in place. So you just put your top right here. Again, this just came off the printer. It's not fit or anything like that. And then so you put your cup there, scoot this down, lock it in place, and then spin it if you wanted to. I'm not going to use the top. I don't ever do that, but that's what Nick is recommending if you do run into some issues. So this is brand new. I'm super excited. We're going to play with it tonight because I just really like the way it looks, the design, but I'm really happy with the way it turned out. So it's just super little attachment, and this would allow you to get straight lines, or if you need to trim vinyl, whatever you need to do.